Hello students, if I ask you to answer this question in just 5 seconds without even using a calculator, you can answer me that the square root of 81 I can find in 1 second. The answer is 9. But now if I ask you another question that find the square root of 87 without using calculator in just few seconds, then you'll say that the answer would be around 9 point something. But what would be point something over here? So to calculate what is the exact answer of root 987, first of all, we need to remember, we need to stick to this video and we can find the answer in fraction of seconds, right? So the answer of this will be calculated first of all by remembering all the squares from 1 to 10. Now observe it carefully that square root of 87 is just bigger than the square of 9. So the answer will be 9 plus a fraction. Now what will be the fraction part? The numerator will be 87 minus 81, that is coming over to be 6. And the denominator will be the double of 9, that is 18. So the answer will be 9 plus 6 by 18, that is 1 by 3. Answer will be 9 plus 0.33. So the final answer of this is approximately 9.33. Actual answer of root 87 is 9.327, which is very close to our answer. Now, yes, let us take another example. Square root of 39. So first of all, we see just smaller square than this, which is coming over to be the 6 square, that is 36. So the answer will be 6 plus a fraction. Now the numerator part is 39 minus 36, that is coming over to be 3. And the denominator part is double of the 6, that is coming over to be 12. So the answer will be 6 plus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 12. So that is equal to 0.25 and the answer is 6.25 approx. Actual answer of root 39 is 6.245. Again, very close to our answer. Yes, we are on fire. Now, root of 69. This is again just bigger than square of 8. So the answer will be 8 plus a fraction. Now the numerator part will be 69 minus 64, that is 5. And denominator is double of this 8, that is 16. So the answer is coming to be 8.3125. And the final answer is 8.307, which is again very close to our answer. Now one more example. Square of 27, which will be 5 plus a fraction. So the numerator will be 27 minus, that is 2 upon 10. So the answer is 5.2 and the actual answer is 5.196. Again, a very close answer. But wait, this method is not giving the actual answer. Let it for root 2. The value will be 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 2. 1 plus 1 by 2. So the answer is 1.5. But the actual answer of root 2 is coming to be 1.414, which is not exact. So what we do is we repeat the method. We take the square of 1.5, that is 2.25. Now 1.5, 2.25 is just greater than 2 by 0.25. So minus of 0.25 upon 1.5 double is 3. So this will be minus 1 by 12. And when you calculate, the answer is coming to be 1.417, which is again very near to our answer 1.414. So yes, we can get the very close answer when we repeat this process. Yes, this process, this method is not calculated by me. It was given by Babylonian, who belongs to Persia, Arabia. And later on, this method was redefined by Sir Isaac Newton in 17th century. And He has given the Newton-Raphson method to find the square root of any number, which involve a various calculus part. But we are not going to deal with that in this video. So thank you all.